Street in a poor Spanish town, fog in the air, small tailoring shop with worn signboard, young man walking toward it carrying folded cloth. Inside a cramped workshop, sewing machines lined up, the young man bending over fabric, hands guiding cloth under the needle, sunlight entering through dusty window. Close view of simple jackets and shirts hanging on wooden rack, the young man inspecting stitching and smoothing fabric with his palms. Crowded local market, people browsing clothes, the young man standing beside a small stall displaying neatly folded garments. Empty room with bare walls, wooden table in the center, the young man sketching clothing patterns on paper with pencil and ruler. Small storefront under renovation, glass being wiped clean, mannequins placed inside, fresh clothes arranged on shelves. First customers entering the shop, walking between racks, picking up clothes, mirrors reflecting movement inside the store. Busy sewing room with more workers now, multiple machines running, piles of fabric stacked neatly, cutting tables filling the space. City street with modern Zara sign glowing, people entering through glass doors, mannequins dressed in stylish outfits behind the window. Aerial view of large fashion warehouse, trucks parked outside, boxes being loaded, workers moving in organized lines. High-rise office interior, wide glass windows overlooking city. The man, now older, standing still beside the window in a dark suit. Global city montage, different Zara stores in busy streets, crowds walking past illuminated storefronts at night. Quiet luxury office, minimal furniture, soft lighting, the man seated at a desk reviewing clothing samples laid in front of him. Evening city skyline, reflections on glass buildings, slow camera movement toward one tower with lights glowing inside. Final wide shot of a massive fashion headquarters at night, logo shining above entrance, calm and powerful atmosphere.